That doesn't sound like a hobby, that sounds like a job.
That's great.
No.
And you love it. So there you are, absolutely right. Well said. Now, there you are, you're on 9. Our high score is up here on 26 at John and Lewis. So 16 or less would see straight through.
Oh dear, dear.
I'm going to try and head down the table, I think.
Midnight.
I'm going to say
Hey,
C. Borgium.
midnight has come out of
These
the
guys have watched the
cat crate. Well, we're going to have to sort something out here.
Borgium.
Hey, hey, come and see your litter first. Hey, midnight, come and... Me, wee midnight.
But who knows?
Purr, purr. Oh, la, la. Midnight, midnight. Hey, midnight.
That's right.
Midnight, midnight. Come and see where you can go pee-pees. Hey, come and see. There we go. There, look at that. Cat litter. Cat litter. Hey, there we go. You do pee-pees in there. I'll show you. You're purring. There. Oh. Right. Well, I think that's sorted. We've got the pig. We've got the idea. Right. You pee over there. Yes, you do. Hey, midnight. Midnight. Hey, midnight. Oh, la, 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 la. There's a lot of interesting things around. Can she reach that water? Wee, wee. Right, now. Try not to dig my plants up. I've got a lot of crocuses here. Where is it? Oh, la, la. Oh, it's going to be fun here, isn't it? It's such an untidy house. It's a cat's paradise. Oh, la, la. Mino, mino. Oh, right, well. Yes, right, well. So, we've got the Benavo, dog food. Well, I mean, I'll put a bit of tofu in and then we've got enough protein for a cat. Nothing to it. Huh? All the mamby-pamby stuff, Sarah. What cat should eat, eh? Oh, well, Benavo, it's got taurine in it. I mean, you know, just because it hasn't got the word cat on the packet. I mean, who cares? Shove a bit more protein, eh? Yes, you are a dreadful cat, aren't you? Oh, we are. Oh, yes, I wouldn't do that. Oh, she's a happy little thing. Right, that's the end of that. Right, what are the dogs doing? Not a lot. Yes. Well, you go to sleep. Yeah, that's it. You sit there. Well, eh? And we give her a ball. Maybe her ball, eh? Eh? Midnight. Oh, it's... There we go. She likes the balls. Oh, la la. Oh, well,